emergency message. The following message is transmitted at the request of Chisago County Emergency Management. Chisago County to surrounding area. Be on the lookout for a suspicious male wearing all black clothing and cowboy boots and a dark colored hat. Officers are looking to make contact with him. Please be cautious and call Chisago County Sheriff's Office with any and all information at 651-257-4100. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 274, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Minnesota, Anoka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Goodhue, Hennepin, Ramsey, Bryce, Scott, Washington, and Wright, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Pierce, Polk, and St. Croix. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rusk County in northwestern Wisconsin, northeastern Chippewa County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 5 miles southeast of Ladysmith to 8 miles west of Cornell, or along a line from 5 miles southeast of Ladysmith to 23 miles north of Eau Claire, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conrath, Ladysmith, Tony, Cornell, Glen Flora, Holcomb, Ingram, Sheldon, and Hawkins. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Chippewa, and Rusk. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, central La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, southwestern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winona, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trempealeau around 8:45 p.m. Dakota and Bryce Prairie around 9 p.m. La Crosse and French Island around 9:10 p.m. La Crescent, on Alaska, Howman, and La Crosse Airport around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include north side of La Crosse, Perot State Park, the Valley View Mall, Pickwick, New Hartford, County Roads M and West, and Dressbach. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 262 and 276. Interstate 90 in Wisconsin between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Houston and Winona, and the following counties in Wisconsin: La Crosse and Trempealeau. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Durand, or 12 miles north of Wabasha, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi around 9:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Mondovi Airfield, Mishimoqua, Maxville, the Big Swamp area, Ern, and Ella. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin.
Columbia County, to all listening units, the National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for Columbia County and south central Wisconsin until 10:30 p.m. At 9:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Portage, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, a tornado. This was radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Portage and Lake Wisconsin around 9:55 p.m., Poinet around 10 p.m., Hardyville and Rio around 10:05 p.m., Fall River around 10:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wyacina, Harmony Grove, Otsego, Interstate 9094 interchange, Arlington, Merrimack, and Doylestown. Other landmarks included in the following locations are Gibraltar Rock National Area, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Time of page is 21:57.